Forms just got way more powerful in Heffl. Collecting info from users means you creating form from one place and sending it via email, then chasing the emails for the client response, or you create the link and you send it to the client, and then you copy the response to your CRM. But in Heffl, it just got way more powerful. We just added entity linking, which means you can send a form from any entity, whether it's lead, deal, projects, or any entity in Heffl. You can send a form directly from the entity so that user enter the response and you just get back to that entity itself, and it's easy for your team to collaborate and everything. Here is how it works. So you have a form which you have created in Heffl, then you go to for example, I'm just creating in a contact right now. So you can see there is a new tab called forms here. You can go to forms. This form tab is available in projects, deals, all of the entity, so that you can create a form. For example, I want an onboarding form that I need to send to this particular client. I just click on send form and I can select the form which I want to send. I want to select the onboarding form, then whether I should copy the link or send by email. So I will just click on send by email. As you can see, the details is filled. There is a button here, you can customize all of these, and I can just send the email, and the email will be received for the user. Now the user can fill these details from here, and I can just submit, and yes, the form is submitted. And if you come back to Heffl, you can see the onboarding form is completed, and you can view this and you can see the responses, download it Word, and you can utilize it, and you can set up this with automation and do different stuff. That's up to you. But this feature will enable teams to connect onboarding forms and for forms that can be connected to the projects, and they can basically reduce all the manual efforts that they were doing before, and a form that actually is powerful, and a workflow that will help agencies and companies for enhancing their workflow.